Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. In our MCQ series, in this video, we have MCQs on class 7th unit 4, chapter The Ashes That Made the Trees Bloom and poem Chivi. Let's see the MCQs. Question number 1 is, whose ashes made the trees bloom in the chapter? And the chapter is The Ashes That Made the Trees Bloom. And here are the options. A. The old couple's pet cat. B. The daimyo's pet dog. C. The old couple's pet dog. Or D. The good old couple. Whose ashes made the trees bloom? You can note down your answer and tally it at the end of the video. Question number 2 is, what was the name of the good old couple's pet dog? And the options are A. Taro, B. Muko, C. Daimyo, or D. MP Punai. Question number 3. The story The Ashes That Made the Trees Bloom is set in A. India, B. China, C. Japan, or D. Korea. Where is the story set? Question number 4. The meaning of the word snug is A. Steal, B. Follow, C. Scold, or D. Comfortable. What is the meaning of the word snug? The old man was. What was the profession of the old man, Muko's owner? A. He was a rice merchant. B. He was a rice farmer. C. A landlord. Or D. A cart driver. Question number 6. Which of the following sentence is not true? A. The good old couple treated Muko like their own child. B. The good old couple had 2 children. C. The good old couple were kind towards all creatures. Or D. Muko loved its protector like a being with soul. Which of the following statement is false? Question number 7. How did Muko take his master towards the treasure? A. Muko put his paws against his master's legs. B. He motioned with his head towards a spot. C. He kept whining and running to and fro. Or D. All of the above. Question number 8. The wicked couple brought Muko to their home because A. They loved him. B. They wanted to kill him. C. They wanted to feed him. Or D. They wanted him to find treasure. Question number 9. What did the wicked couple find at the place where Muko scratched? A. A dead kitten. B. A dead calf. C. A pile of gold. Or D. A pile of ashes. Question number 10. What did Muko's soul tell his master in dreams? A. Who killed him? B. Where the treasure was. C. To make a mortar and mill from the pine tree. Or D. To feed the poor. What did Muko's soul tell his master in dreams? Who killed him? Where the treasure was? To make a mortar and mill from the pine tree. Or D. To feed the poor. Question number 11. The greedy couple borrowed the mill and the mortar to A. Make rice pastry and bean sauce. B. Make a pile of gold. C. Make magic ash to win reward. Or D. Burn it for fire. Question number 12. Where did the dog's soul tell his master to sprinkle the ashes? A. On wicked couples. B. On the daimyos. C. On the gold pile. Or D. On the withered trees. Question number 13. What happened when the wicked old man sprinkled the ashes? A. The ashes vanished in the air. B. The ashes made the trees bloom. C. It spoiled the pomp and dignity of daimyo's procession. Or D. Ashes turned into pile of wands. Question number 14. The meaning of gleefully is, what is the meaning of gleefully? A. Sadly. B. Happily. C. Cowardly. Or D. Unknowingly. Question number 15. Which of the following is not true? The withered trees bloomed whenever ashes were sprinkled on them. This was option A. Option B. The greedy man was punished by the daimyo. C. The wicked old man died in the mud. Or D. The good old couple lived to a green old age. Which of the following is untrue? Question number 16. Who is the poet of Chivi? A. Michael Rosen, B. Muriel Elsone, C. Peter Dixon, or D. Frank Flynn? Question number 17. What is the meaning of Chivi? A. To help, B. To nag, C. To follow, or D. To be angry? And question number 18. Who is being chivied or nagged in the poem? A. Father, B. Mother, C. Child, or D. Teacher. So these were 18 questions from Unit 4. Here are the answers. You can match your answers and let me know how many of them did you get correct. Thank you for attempting the MCQ, student. Bye-bye. Take care.